walked on earth in sandals worn. Through humble towns his love was born, healing hearts with hands so kind, his grace eternal, undefined. Father came in flesh divine, Jesus Christ, the holy sign, light of hope that sets us free, the love that flows like endless sea. He faced the storm, the whip, the crown, yet never once did love back down. For us he bore the cruelest pain, rose to life so we'd remain. Father came in flesh divine, Jesus Christ, the holy sign, light of hope that sets us free, the love that flows like endless sea. Through every trial, every tear, he whispers softly, I am here.